That's the Herbalist studio. My name is George. I'm gonna show you now. That's this one. You see, um, this is called dill, but it's not cultivated dill. It's like wild crafted dill. So usually, you see, everything is nice. That stems, you take off the flowers from the stems, and you can get this for a stomach ache or some other problems and stuff. um, you can make also essential oil. It's very nice and aromatic. um, I can show you later my aromatic essentials. You can also buy from my online website and so on. So that's for now. You see again, that's the deal. um, we have some also other aromatic plants, but later I'm gonna show you. And that's for now. Thanks guys.